Do you want to know how to make faceless videos and make money from YouTube? Yes, it's possible. And many YouTube creators are in fact making good money never showing them face. I would say that for the sake of branding in the future, you should show your face so that you can create more of a relationship with your viewers. But yes, you can make money recording videos without never showing your face. One way to do that is to use a software where you can share your screen without ever showing your face. This is one I'm usually using, because Cast-O-Matic, but there are other ones out there like Camtasia and so on. I'm not affiliate with this product, but you can, with this Cast-O-Matic tool software, you can choose to show only your screen, or you can show only your face, or you can choose to show both your screen and face. But more ways that you can use to never show your face on video. You can use PowerPoint and make a slide with stock photos. Now there are free stock photos that you can get online, but there's some of them cost a little bit of money. But you can make a PowerPoint slide about what you want to be sharing, and turn that into a video MP4 file. Now, if you don't want to do this, spend time on doing this, or maybe you feel it sounds a bit too complicated, then there's another way I'm going to show you, and that is to buy this work from a vendor at Fiverr. So let's head over to Fiverr now. You need to create a free account at Fiverr. It's very self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go over that, but here I'm logged into Fiverr. And here you can search for the gig you want. I'm going to put in make videos. And then you hit return. And you just have to choose a category that you want to show gigs for. There are different ones, but I have chosen the slideshow videos. Then you hit apply. Here are different tabs you can choose to go through: category, service options, seller details, budget, if you want to choose from what price point and upwards you want to check out, and delivery time if you want it really fast, or if you can wait a few days. But okay, we're going to go to budget, and then I'm going to put in the lowest fee I want to pay, and that is of course $5. Put in 5 there, and then we're gonna go to, you can put in here what's the biggest amount you're ready to pay, but I'm gonna skip that. I'm just gonna hit apply. So here are the different gigs available, and beneath every gig you see a rating, a review from buyers. Try to go for one that's have the top ratings about reviews or close by. Yeah, so here the fee they want, and this seller says that he will make a award show video and event video graphics package for $20. This seller says he will make a video slideshow of any event like birthday, wedding, and that. And there are different ones you can check out here. And if you have pictures that you want to be using, this seller might be for you. You will make amazing slideshow or video from your pictures. The rating or reviews are 4.9, so that is pretty good, and it costs $5. But different ones here you can check out. Now, are you new to affiliate marketing and would like to learn step by step then I have a great course for you through the link below, so click that if that's something you would be interested. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.